First of all, ew. What? That is a that is a disgustingly wild noise. This is a kiwi. This is a bird. It's a bird from New Zealand, and all I know about it is that it takes social media clout very serious. Social media clout is at an all-time high, and I can't help but notice that this weird sounding kiwi almost ran by the camera. It saw the camera and then backed up and started just belching or whatever that sound is called. It was just, oh, I'm on camera. It's like a rapper. It's like a rapper who's acting normal, and then when it sees the camera, it starts turning on all of this new stuff. Like, what? You were just chilling a second ago, Mr. Kiwi. Now this is Jurassic Park level nonsense. This sound it has no business coming out of this bird. This bird sounds like it goes whip 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 whip, ooh, whip 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 whip, or just something soothing and nice to hear. It sounds like it's hawking up loogies, trying to get a raptor's attention. Like, bruh, you not looking how you sound. This is all bark, no bite. Maybe all bite, no bark. I don't even know what order it's supposed to be in. I just know that this animal sounds disgusting, and it almost reminds me of koalas. I don't know how long you guys have been watching Pat Geo, but when I found out that koalas were disgusting animals, look up how a koala sounds. Based on your memory of a koala, how cute they are, they're cuddly, they're always attached to a tree. Oh, I eat eucalyptus. No, they sound disgusting. And now the kiwi, it has the name of a nice fruit, you know, them little hairy fruits with the nice little green textured meats inside. I don't even know how to. This is my first time describing a kiwi, so I'm sorry about the fail, but that's a legit fruit. So just everything about this bird is telling me it should not sound like that. I don't know if I'm about to go on a kiwi rabbit hole and learn more about these birds, but now I know that they don't sound how they look, and they're too invested into clout. He wanted that viral video. Come on, Kiwi, get off of Instagram, get off of Twitter. Stop doing weird stuff for followers, Kiwi.